A primary key constraint enforces the uniqueness of a row in a table. It doesn't allow any null values. You may think of it as a combination of unique and not null constraints. Let me create a table with a primary key constraint. Create table cons1 call1 number constraint cons1 underscore pk primary key. Here I am specifying a name for the constraint as cons1 pk. It can be any name. I am also specifying the type of the constraint as primary key here. Let me run it. Table created. Now let me try to insert a null value. It fails as null values are not allowed. Let me insert the number 1. It works. Let me verify it. Done. Let me insert 1 again. It fails as there is already a 1 in there. So uniqueness is being enforced here. Let me insert 2 this time. It works. Let me verify it. 1 and 2. So a primary key is a combination of unique constraint and not null constraint. It enforces the uniqueness of the data and it doesn't allow null values. Thank you for watching.